Kamakhya Devi temple is situated on the edge of the Nilachal hill in the city of Guwahati. It is among the 51 Shaktipeeth of Hindu mythology. It is also counted among the 4 primary Shaktipeeth. This is the main entrance gate of the temple. The temple is about 5 km from Kamakhya Junction railway station and 7 km from Guwahati railway station and 20 km from Guwahati airport. The public buses drop at the base of the hill, popularly known as Kamakhya Gate. From there, shared vehicle, mostly omnivans, are available to the temple. Fare rupees 20 per passengers, about 3 km uphill from the base. There are direct AC buses available from Guwahati Airport to Palton Bazar at every hour from 6 am to 6 pm. These buses can drop you at Kamakhya Gate, fare rupees 120 per passenger. From 8 am, temple door open for devotees and after 1 pm closed for cooked offering to the goddess. Again, 2:30 pm, temple door reopen for the devotees. 5:30 pm in the evening, temple door close after evening aarti. You can get all the necessary information related puja from this information center. There are a lot of people known as pandas are available in the temple complex to perform a special puja or ritual for the devotees. Pandas generally charge a heavy fee to perform the rituals. Better to negotiate the price in advance before hiring them for a special puja. Cameras and mobile phones are allowed in the temple premises. Photography is not allowed inside the main temple as well as in the Garbhagriha. Backpacks are not allowed, but small ladies' bags are allowed inside the temple. Shoes are not allowed even in the temple premises. Better to remove them at one of the prasad shop outside the temple. The ticket counter is located near the information center on the left hand side after entering in the temple premises through the main entrance. Entry coupons are available at the cost of rupees 500 per person. The morning tickets are available from 7 am onwards and afternoon tickets are available from 2:30 pm onwards. After buying special entry coupon, you can expect to reach the inner Garbhagriha within 1 hour to 2 hours depending on the crowd in the temple. There is AC waiting hall for the devotees. A separate entry ticket is available for the personnel from defense as well as paramilitary force after producing the original identity cards. The cost of the ticket is rupees 50 per person. After getting this ticket, you may get into the temple through a shorter route. The defense ticket counter timings are from 7 am to 8 am and from 3 pm to 3:30 pm every day except Sunday afternoon. The general queue starts near the museum on the right hand side after entering in the temple premises through the main entrance. It is free of cost, but the queue starts in the early morning, normally at 5 am. It may take at least 4 to 5 hours to reach the inner Garbhagriha. There are also VIP passes are issued free of cost by the district authority for the higher dignitaries. On a normal day, the pass holder can expect to reach the inner Garbhagriha within 1 hour. Most of the visitors arriving in the city of Guwahati as the sole purpose to visit this temple to get the blessing of Kamakhya Devi. It is believed to be 2000 years old. However, in such a long existence, it was destroyed and built several times. The current structure is about 500 years old. The temple is dedicated to Ma Kamakhya Devi. It was the place where the genitals of goddess Sati fell during the Tandav dance of Lord Shiva with the burning body of goddess Sati. The Garbhagriha of the temple is basically a dark room below the ground level. It is small, dark and reached by narrow step stones from the hall. Only 2-3 small lamps are there inside the cave, so it is very hard to see anything clearly. Inside the Garbhagriha there is no image but a Joni-shaped rock figure about 10 inches deep that is considered as the main deity. It usually remains covered with the flowers and other offerings. Generally, it is very difficult to see that rock figure because of the darkness. The Joni-shaped rock figure consistently filled with an underground water spring. The main intention of the devotee is to touch the holy water present around the main deity. After entering in the main hall of the temple, all kind of queues march in a single one and proceed slowly toward the inner Garbhagriha. Kamakhya temple is a major center of tantric ritual in India. Due to this, a large number of rituals having animal sacrifice take place every day. There is a big hall in the temple premises where this ritual takes place. Devotees can also buy these animals from the temple premises. Holy pond known as Saubhagya Kundo inside the Kamakhya temple. The Kamakhya temple pond water turns red naturally on Ambabuchi. Ambabuchi Mela is the most celebrated annual festival at Kamakhya Devi temple. It is celebrated generally during monsoon season, end of the June month. The annual celebration of Ambabuchi marks the yearly menstruation course of goddess Kamakhya. The temple remains closed for 3 days during the Mela. After 3 days, goddess is bathed and other rituals are performed. Then the doors of the temple are reopened and prasad is distributed. On the 4th day, the devotees are allowed to enter the temple. A small room is there to light diyas and incense. There are 7-8 rows of stand available for this purpose. There are a series of shops on both sides of the lane starting at least 300 meters before the temple. You can buy prasad and other offering and souvenir from this shop.